Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suresh. In this video my review is on HC615 RC mini drone. This drone is only for the beginners. You can buy this drone through any online sites. And make sure that this drone does not have any kind of a camera. You can have lots of fun with this tiny drone. Let me open the product and see what's inside the product. On the box, one mini drone, RC controller, and USB cable to extra propellers and a tiny screwdriver. You can use these propellers if you have any damage with these propellers. Before going to connect, you need to connect it to the charger and you need to charge this device for 1 hour. Connect this charger, the red light gets blinked up. After 1 hour of charging, it gets off and you need to disconnect this cable. Let me connect the remote controller to the drone. Before connecting it, you need to insert 2 AAA batteries in it. Let me insert the batteries.
Make it last forever. Stop in time.
After installing the batteries, first you need to turn on this drone. When you turn on the device, the lights gets blinked up. And next you need to turn on the remote controller. After turning on this remote controller, the lights get stopped up. And you need to move the throttle front and back. This is how it connects. Let me show you how it flies. The flight time of this tiny drone is 10 to 15 minutes. It can fly up to the maximum height of 20 to 30 meters. I had flight this tiny drone to more than 30 meters of height. It got disconnected to the remote controller after reaching its maximum height. It doesn't got any damage to the propeller or to the body even it had fell from the 40 meters of height. The response between the drone and the remote controller is really cool. There is no lag between the controller and the drone. You can fly this drone even if it's night or in the low light condition because it is having a 2 cool LED lights. It will be appear to you even if it is at the maximum height. So this is all for this video guys. If you like this video, hit on thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.